Fuig fearnamánaíocht na Fianna Cliath club na Éanna Norig, agus am líana bhíon deis club Cliath Peile mánaíocht an County Buaicphointí. Of deis an fearnamánaíocht an tatan schóing, ach ar dús bhí deis an Peile Cliath an County Buaicphointí an chiaróir ó Chabhas a Hain. Ina going bhí Baile Buadáin Naomh Éanna, mar an grúb chácht ag Ceannais Caide Cup ó Buadáin a Chabhas a Naomh. Further stoppage the champagne Rath Coolest, Baile Ceannais, and I wrote a token to our most sonnish as a Buaicphointí. We Brian Tires as Common Goggins at Bar Parnell, the play Ceannais Peile Átha.
Tóca get Pascal, pass out on a Yasaga Shachun, Swedish. The Via Lahar electric cannon, the way Ceannais Funangaul and Tachn McCarran. Sheer Arish Green McGarry. Kush came on, he has Lati, Vegas Arish Ton, Himidori Tacht, Erna Gouli and son. Pascal and bout the saw, Colum Leshen Skull. Cha, Eamon O'Reilly and saw. On Govan, he'll be in again, Marvanish door. I guess a long dochasach. Ganyan shouldn't vart on all the Nish, McGarry, Takish Dachsach, Anna Vorla, Cold Naomh Éanna no Martian. Don't think that's a Rhino Dwyer, and the Hitog Shin Illa Anna here or Fad, would invert him to get Ta a Wacher, or a Chachun Merchanish. Thinking me Claire and Lusahag and Versa, Gahardia along the Park of Suez. Stackney Connor McHugh.
Yeah, to be Brisha and Shaw and Lena and Quaker Maid on Shaw, so Tommy Capica my kicks here at Dulla Drona Fina.
Sha, Derek Flaherty, Rumposh, Dachsamach and Kick and Son, which I shouldn't want to go crane Ta. Merchant reached the tour to order hit the David Quinn. Corroboration Dave Lena, August Tom Madden, February and Saga. Love shot on the van, son again, Merchant, August Conor McHugh, yes, so I got soon. Harsh address now. Baile Buadáin Naomh Éanna tacht in that hour. Here Chrev Buaicphointí son. Nadig noch Cúig, Ghavíle sa Né, Ghavíle sa Cúdiag, agus Ghavíle sa Nédiag, agus gan dot Creve na Héireann, I Ghavíle sa Sédiag, agus tá Ceathair Tusaí, Ceathair Cúlaístig, os Cóid an Chúil son. Fihibh le Ceannard Beidir. McGarry. Fós las mod an stúr sin. Shata Spas, Ibra and Sa agus Shin Peter on the Vlar Fad against Dara Sweeney. Mr. Gavin on the Howl, Shachwing in Isha, Agagashu Bader, every Dirach Yanov. Shugri Healy, Dirigan Da, Faint to Hall, Tickers come on the Va Fad, Shino Peter Healy. Nish Martian pass off the Gadilag McHugh on Congar Honna Hornig showed. Fevru, Stuart Craniga. Rhino Dwyer, a reach Tasha the Skila Lesh, the another source Fan Bark. Cossa Idrum and Son. Again, Baile Buadáin Naomh Éanna, Pascal and Isharegan Hoon, her father Thing and Roy Yeniger, and Vartian of Agatasam Gentiga. Johnny Cooper, Pontashta Ahut, Nidonic Hukshan Hicksair and Sonach. Tá Shelivanish Holuchbar, agus tá na Mitini Chofluch, which I Dakar Graimich Mada de Bell. Peter Healinish. Pascal Arist, Ord Chlayimmer Gashut Satarnala, Istakari Rhino Dwyer, agus tá Darcy Reagan Hoon, agus a Ratte, Istaksachunig, Kian Darcy.
Yeah, Rouse up Ballyboden Naomh Éanna and Shin, Gachur will last chance, Tashin Gluro Reagan. Pascal sa Caidul Sheas, O'Dwyer sa Darrell Sheas, agus Darcy, Urachar, Salint on the Ballyboden Naomh Éanna Nation, Willamorfa, Namucca and Shin.
And Phil took a Keen get pass on a Yasser Fad, Ishtach and so, agus Lena Horn, Paint to really get James Holland. Cluiche Leon Hensa, Peter Shanstianach, against the Fianna, took on Ashkey Keelan Sexton, that we galore on Átha Kikenika. On Blockheim Kosha of the Geston Son Nukade.
And Kate Cluiche up man Marshane. Yeah, do so Che a Hossa or have on block on Shin.
Shin Rano Mutata Falka, agus Mas Felicia Shaw. A Raim Shoe, Savall, Takio Sexton, Tarnadesh, and Balthasar. Wrong Tuck Printas and Leon Tom again.
Lana Creek on a Havel of Hugh Sullivan Sakadol, she is page on the Rashi and Kick Pinosis, Fiara Honey to Reeve. Ach near Raymond B. Cartish and Darry Europe of Sexton. Cooley in the four and Wilchie the non and kick him up Shaw Buchard.
Corn E. Clerig and Dushatan Sotranona. Well, potún den tortson níl chansacha agus go dain féin tá nadó geirig séte again rétóir agus is iad Baile Buadáin Naomh Éanna corthe bhná Cliath an cúlú tréad acu.
Yeah, we were just staying on to the game plan. We've been in that situation all through the knockouts, and we knew if we kept playing and kept keeping the scoreboard ticking over, that scores would come. But, oh, it's unbelievable. Can't sum it up. It's unbelievable for everyone, for the club.
Captain, like, ag tús na bliana just brathning which temple agus bhí is a gin grau némorí agan chun an crowd show of Ukins, like.
It's just sheer elation at the moment, you know, the work those men have put in behind me, and even tonight, like, it was absolutely superb. You know, we've a great club over there in Ballyboden, and the boys are determined this year to bring it on.
Agus Connie Clayton prompta Shane Clayton.
It's a new group and hungry to go and to win trophies like the Cleary Cup, and we're going to enjoy this one. It's very sweet.